Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to make some turkey cranberry pasta. We start off with bow tie pasta. You can also use any other kind as long as it's short kind. We're going to have Catalina dressing. I have turkey breast, celery, onion, sliced almonds, and of course the cranberries. And we shall get started. First thing I've got to do is cook the pasta. So we will get started with that. Okay, the first thing we've got to do is we have got to cook the pasta. So I've got a pot of water on the stove boiling. It's just beginning to boil. And so what I'm using today is a bow tie pasta. So we're just going to put that in the hot water. And we're going to let it cook for, well, it says 12 minutes, but I don't really think it needs to cook that long, but we shall see. 12 minutes. So while that is boiling, we are going to go over here and fix all the ingredients to go into this. Okay, now I'm chopping up the celery, and I've got that ready. As you can see, I have half a cup of celery. I need a third cup of almonds, which I have already measured it out. And what I used just the sliced almonds. You can use the whole ones or whatever you like, but I'm just going to cut these just a little bit. I don't want them. I just want to be able to taste them just a little bit in there, but you don't want such big pieces. Some people roast their almonds before they put them in here. I just like almonds just like they are. As a matter of fact, I can take them out of the bag and eat them just like this would be fine. So we now have a third cup of almonds. I think I need a bigger knife, I know that, but that's okay. I'm about through with this part anyway. So we have the celery, we have the almonds. Now what we got to do, we have got to have 2 cups of turkey. You can get the turkey out of the deli. You can bake a turkey, any turkey you have left over. I just happened to went to the store and just got a box of turkey breast so I could fix this. I'm going to step over here right quick and just stir this pasta just to make sure. Yeah, fine. Doing fine. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up my 2 cups of turkey. This Hillshire Farm turkey really is good, just for a sandwich or anything, but it is really good. So we're just going to cut up. You can use diced turkey. But to me, this right here works just fine. It will be a good cold salad, like having a picnic for Memorial Day or anytime through the summer, because it can be refrigerated and then you can take it outside. And since I'm not using any mayonnaise, it won't have a tendency to spoil. As mayonnaise, you can't leave mayonnaise out hardly no time in this heat down here. I would be scared to do that. Alright, let's see what I've got here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another bowl. So I can use this cup right here. And we're going to see how much turkey we do have. Like I say, I need 2 cups of turkey. Chopped up turkey. And I do think I've got that pretty much chopped up. So it actually looks like it will take the whole pack to get 2 cups. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to cut up the whole thing. And this is an 8-ounce pack of oven roasted turkey breast. I read an article about people just keeping turkey for like Christmas or Thanksgiving, and how it would really be a good thing to have it through the summer to make salads with, and it's just a good meal. Okay, this should be cut up, chopped up. Yeah, that made a good 2 cups of your turkey. I have the celery cut up, the almonds, 2 cups of turkey. Now I need 1/4 of an onion. Onion can sometimes be overpowering, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's diced up pretty slim, pretty little. This happens to be about a sweet onion. Red onions would make it look good, and they are good too. The only thing is I happen not to have a red onion here at the house, so I am using what I've got, which I think is what people should do anyway, is to see what you've got at home. In this day and time, use what you've got. Learn how to be a resource in what's in your cabinet. Tom had a tendency to have so much in the cabinet, I very seldom run out of anything. So I'm just trying to use up all that's in there. There we go. That's pretty diced up pretty thin. So now I've got all my ingredients ready. So I'm waiting on the pasta. So we'll go ahead and mix everything together except for the dressing. So I'll go ahead and pour in the celery. And you know how sometimes when you cut up celery, you know how it has the little strings to it? I try my best to look and make sure there's none of the stringy parts when I'm doing celery in a salad, because I really do hate to get the stringy part when I'm eating it. So then we're going to put the onions in, the almonds, and the cranberries. Now this has 1 ounce here, but I need 2/3 cup. So it probably take more than 1 box of these, because this is all they had in the store. They didn't have the big boxes like you sometimes can find the big boxes, but this would work just fine. So I've got 2/3 cup of cranberries. So we'll dump that in there too. And we're just sort of going to mix this stuff together. we'll check on the pasta, and if the pasta is ready, all we have to do is mix the pasta with this and put in our Catalina dressing and put it in the refrigerator and be ready to eat it very shortly. I think the recipe was saying leave it in the refrigerator about an hour. It would make it better. But knowing me, I'll probably eat some of it when I get it done. So, like I say, good thing about it, you can leave it in the refrigerator a day or two and it will still be good. Now I'm going to mix in the turkey. Boy, it seems to be growing, doesn't it? I know you can go to the deli at most stores that has the deli, and you could get a turkey breast, like a couple of pounds of it that comes in that roll, and bring it home, and you could chop it up and you would have your chopped turkey in here, and it wouldn't be like I've got now, but this really looks good. Okay, we're going to check on the pasta right quick. Okay, I do believe the pasta is done, so we're going to take it and we're going to strain it right quick. I'm going to let it cool down just for a second or two so you can see this. Doesn't take pasta long to cool down. Okay, we're now going to take the pasta and I'm going to put it in this bowl with all my other stuff. And we're just going to mix it up a little bit before I put the dressing on it, so it all be, gee, I was beginning to think, did you have anything in it? All I can see is the pasta. But here it comes. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Catalina dressing, and we just, well, first off, I think I should shake it up just a little bit. There we go. And like I say, you just pour this over this and stir it up. It makes a pretty color. And then, like any pasta salad, the day after you make it and it's been in the refrigerator, you might have to add a little bit more, any kind of dressing that you use, because pasta will soak up overnight what you have put in there. Not all of it, but it will definitely soak it up. I think I'm going to put, whoops, be nice if I kept it in the bowl. So I'm going to put just a little bit more because it looks a little dry. Give this a stir. Then we're going to put it in a bowl and I'm going to taste it, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And as I say, it will be a nice change of stuff. The Catalina dressing just sort of spices it up a little bit. And then again, Catalina dressing is a vinegar-based dressing, so I'm told. So let's see how it tastes. Okay, I put me some in a bowl. And as you can see, it's got a very pretty color. It's got a taste of its own. I think it's very good. And I think it will really, really be good once it gets cold. Taste anything by itself. You can't really taste the Catalina dressing. It's just a blend of all the flavors. And as I say, it's a very pretty dish. So give it a try, especially for the holidays coming up. Memorial Day, 4th of July. and let it be a cold pasta, and I think it will go good with your hamburgers or hot dogs or whatever you're cooking outdoors. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and keep watching my channel, and definitely keep giving me comments. And I will see you again real soon from Around the House with Kay and Tom. And then again, this is the bowl of the pasta, the Catalina turkey cranberry pasta. Please join my channel, and I will see you next time.